Assembly Step 1.13. The alignment of the lead screw nut is very important to ensure smooth operation of the Z-axis. Thread the lead screw into the lead screw nut. Stop when the lead screw reaches the second set of track rollers. To adjust the lead screw angle, be sure to put even pressure on both sides of the lead screw with your hands very close to the lead screw nut to avoid bending it. You want to be sure that the lead screw passes through the center of the right-hand set of track rollers. Continue threading until the lead screw nut is in the center of the lead screw. Place the whole assembly on a flat surface and measure both sides of the lead screw end using a caliper or a ruler. The goal is to have both sides be even. There's a slight amount of play in the lead screw, so you want to be sure that it's balanced evenly. Place pressure on the lead screw and adjust and then remeasure. Keep doing this process until both sides measure equally.